To manage a scheduled power off on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to open our settings. Now scroll all the way down and select System. Then there should be a setting called Scheduled Power On and Off. When we enter it, we can see the power off and power on. If you want to disable your phone automatically powering off, you can just click on that switch and turn it to gray. Now your phone won't power off automatically. Instead, if you want to activate it, you can enable that and then change the schedule for your auto power off and adjust it for the time when it should happen. And also you can change the days at which it also should happen, and we can disable the days like that. And now our phone will power off automatically at 11 p.m. on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We can click on done, and now it's saved.